Thank you. So one last question. What motivates you to move to China to teach English? Why China? Not Japan or Korea or Vietnam?
Well, I don't speak Korean, Japanese, or Vietnamese. So if I went to any of those places, I would just be unable to read anything.
Okay. So
I
you
don't even
have
know.
learned Chinese before you moved there?
Yeah, I've learned Chinese for a long time.
Oh.
But as for being an English teacher, when I originally wanted to come to China, I did not want to teach English here. It's a long story, but I just became an English teacher and then came over here. So yeah, my plan was to study here, and then not you, Kat. My plan was just to study here for a bit. That was all.
Your cat wants your attention.
She's not gonna get it. She's not gonna get it. But anyways, well, all right, excellent questions, Miss How, my friend,
Yeah, thank you
my
for
good friend.
putting me on the stage.
Not you, Kat. But yes, thank you for coming to the stage. Yes, Jesus Christ. But anyways, all right, let me send you one of these, and I'm gonna actually no. Since you've been here before, I'm gonna give you one of where is it? Give me just a second. Ah, yeah, Hello Talk has too many gifts. Jesus, Hello Talk. Where is the high five? Not the high five.
If you need any of them.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna actually fight this cat. I'm gonna fight my cat. Where is my there? Okay, I'll give you this popsicle. There we go. Oh my god. Alrighty. Now, next up, the stage is empty, so it's just me. And welcome to the Foodare show. So yes. But anyways, let's see. Next person on stage will be. Oh, thank you, Hema. Is that a gun? Okay, cool. You gave the American a gun. I'll take it. Let's see. Our next friend will go to. Oh, another person in Shenzhen. Hello, Ava.
Hello.
Oh, nice
Good
to meet you.
evening. And nice to meet you too. Happy New Year.
新年快乐.
Yeah.
Have you been to this voice room before?
No, but I meet you before. I saw you in your friend's chat room, and you talking with your friend.
My friend. Which one?
Yeah. Like how to say
Or where is he from? Do you know? Or she?
USA.
From the U.S. George?
And he kidding you. He want to 就是want to 参加你的 wedding。那是谁来着？是
Oh, maybe you mean Para? Maybe him?
Pear?
Para? My wedding.
I remember his name.
Oh, I get it. Was this today?
Yes. Huh?
Yeah. Okay, it is Para. Yeah.
Today.
Yeah, we were talking about my wedding. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Now you're ready versus you're married. No, yeah, we were talking about weddings today, and then my wedding was a topic. But yeah, that was it. That's what she's talking about. I'm not having a wedding, by the way. It was just a conversation point. But yes. But all right, Miss Ava, nice to meet you. Could you introduce yourself to us, please?
Introduce myself. Hello, I'm Cantonese and from in China, South City, Coastal City, and I'm from Shantou, Guangdong,
Oh,
Guangdong
Shantou.
province. Yes, it's a coastal city, and there is many fish, have seafood, and great view in my hometown.
Ah,
Yes,
nice.
so many delicious good food in
Mm,
my hometown.
that's awesome. And let's
Yeah,
see, with this word, say coastal.
coastal. My pronunciation is wrong, right?
No,
Coast, coastal city.
no, I just want you to make sure you say the coastal. Coastal.
Coastal.
Much better. Okay, good. How about Pat? Enough. I'm gonna kick you outside. Oh,
Uh,
yo. No, sorry, guys. See, now
so you
everyone.
live in China?
Yes, I
Are you
live in
living in
Shenzhen,
China?
China. I live in Shenzhen, China.
Oh, I'm also in I'm also in this city, Longhua. I'm in
Oh,
Longhua.
nice,
Yes.
nice. Longhua was the first place I visited. I do like Longhua. It's quite cozy, and it's
Oh,
very.
yes.
I miss how quiet it is because Bao'an is very noisy. Yes, I do
Very
miss it.
noisy.
Yes, like out of all the places in Shenzhen, in my opinion, I think
Oh,
Bao'an is the most noisy one. Every
oh,
place else is quiet. You know, like
mm,
I guess Luohu is also loud, but
mm.
it's just annoying. But anywho, all right, Miss. Wait, Joe Top says, "How about offshore?" No, offshore would be it's in the ocean. Offshore is in the ocean. Like it's not
Mm,
on the shore. It's in the water. So like a
mm.
boat would be offshore. Like she does not live offshore. But anywho, alrighty, Miss Ava, let's go on to our next word. Let me see yours. Oh, okay, I'll give you this one. This
Okay.
isn't not too challenging, but can you see my message?
Message. Message. Like information to other people, say a message to other people, right?
Message. Yeah, the word is message.
Message.
Mm-hmm. Good. Because the airport is in Bao'an. Oh, I live nowhere near the airport, Sean. I know where that is. It's like maybe an hour away from me. But
Mm.
anywho's, so the word I want you to learn today would be this one. Try reading this one to me.
Rush.
Nice. Rash.
What's the mean? This word is very dangerous for me. Strange for me. Strange.
Okay. Strange, yes. Dangerous. That confused me. But yes,
Yeah.
rash. So you've never seen the word rash before, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So rash
Rush.
is it's similar to the other words, but this word is negative. So try to read this
It's
one
a
to me.
negative. Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Uh,
Try to read this one.
acting too quickly without enough thought, usually negative.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Can you read the example?
Example.
EX.
Creating without another job lined up was a rash decision.
Nice. Decision.
Decision.
Nice one. Good. It's so similar to rush. Yeah. Yeah. Rash, rush. But yes, if you do something rashly, that means you do something that you probably should not do
Rustly.
without thinking.